Can you show Mommy how you eat with the fork? Oh, it dropped. Try it again. You can do it. Good job. Got like a bonus Cheerio on there too. Well, you just ate the Cheerio, goofball. Good job.